If you've got hooded eyes and you've been wondering how do you create this beautiful wedding guest eye look, I've got you covered. So let's get started with today's video. To fill my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown. And I'm using this product to do just that. Blend the color in and keep applying hair-like strokes. This will make the brow look more natural. And to seal it in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC 43.5 and I'm applying this all over my eyelid. With the Colourpop E15 brush and this light brown shade, let's apply that to the outer V and also apply it to the crease. Go back into the same shade and let's apply that on the bottom lash line. This is the Tarte Cosmetics Gilded Palette. Changing over to a more dark brown shade and with the Spectrum B07 brush, let's build up the color slowly. I like applying it at the outer corner first and then go into the crease. We are mapping out the eye here. And then back into the same shade, build on the color again. We need a very smooth transition. Into the light brown shade and with a fluffy brush, blend that into the skin tone. Make it as seamless as possible. And now with the dark brown shade, let's apply that to the bottom lash line. With the Nikia Joy Cosmetics E05 brush and the dark brown shade, we're going to be applying this color in a diagonal line. We want to slowly build up the color here. And back into the same shade again, blend that all out. With the Sigma smudge brush and with the dark brown shade, apply it precisely to the bottom lash line. And now with this bronze shade on our fingers, let's tap that onto the eyelid. Focus only on the center of the lid. With the dark brown shade again, apply that to the outer corner of the eye and blend that into the shimmer. With this gold shade on our fingers, tap that from the inner corner and try to mix it up with the previous shimmer. Now with the Colourpop E26 brush, let's cover the crease very softly. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Now with the dark brown shade, build out the color again. This is completely optional and up to you. With the spoolie brush, make sure you're removing out any fallout of shimmer on the face and also from your lashes. And with the dark brown shade, apply that close to the upper lash line. And now holding your brush from the top to bottom, apply a black eyeshadow just where you did previously. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. Go back into the concealer that you used and apply this just underneath the eyes, and go ahead and blend it all out with a beauty sponge or a powder puff. Now with the Colourpop E18 brush and this extremely light shade, let's highlight the brow bone. Don't overdo it because it could look a bit harsh otherwise. Your eye should look something like this. And with the Maybelline Tattoo Liner, apply that on your waterline. Curl your lashes. And now with any lengthening and volumizing mascara, apply that on your lashes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.